So I'm not sure how these are going to come out because they're behind glass. But I was just driving along. Well, not driving, riding along. Spotted a couple of Mercedes parked by the roadside. Pulled in. And there's all these Mercedes behind this. And classic Jaguar. Fiat 2CV, DS Citroen, W108. I'm not entirely sure what the American car is. It's a very classic old Mercedes, big old model Ford, Mustang. There's a 300 Ardner, a Pagoda, and incredibly, there's a 300 Gullwing. That is just absolutely crazy. And then I'll try and show you some of the cars that are outside. Got a couple of BMWs, old S-Class, the clutch suspension, and try and sort this out a minute. There we go. So we'll this is the ones that are closer to the road. I've got a few 124s here. Got the big 7. I think that's an old Saab Sonny or Dacia in the background. Got some 123s over the back, a 300 CE24, which is quite a rare model. More. Oh, this just goes on and on. I don't like imposing too much. One Xantias. That's a 126 limousine. Old Datsun pickup and another pair of W124s. .116, 126 coupe. I think they call them 110s. More modern now as we're getting out towards the road. W140, another 140, beautiful 110 or 111. It needs a little bit of work, but that's probably original. SLC on the Pentas, W128 in that W108 in that fantastic gold colour. Fiat. Lancia, Fiat Spider. One, two, four. 123 wagon. Another beautiful one. I don't know if it's 110, 111. Fintails. And a little sunny on the end. Somebody has got an amazing collection here. Got A30 or A35 wagon, 190E, another 124, 124, but that was the diesel version. Another SLC, rare cars here, a 300D. .114 over in the corner, 123, W140 and an EA Civic. So yeah, what an incredible find. So I'm just going to walk back up to the top so you can see that Gullwing again. Oh, the gold one I think is a crane. I have to excuse, I'm walking with a bit of a limp and it's taking me a while to get anywhere. Try and not get my shadow in. Yes. $300. The light's just bouncing off. Mustang. The old Ford. Yeah, I don't think you're going to see him probably walking this way. Pair of Citroens. Ponton. Another American, I believe. Right, I'm going to end this video off here. What a find, and I'll catch you on the next one.